literally have a sign that says beware of the attack librarian. Here's the deal. I can't put this on my work Facebook page, but I'm going to put it here. Just because we're in the middle of a pandemic and none of you have done e-learning before does not mean that ADA does not still apply to you. If you have questions about how ADA still applies to you, this is the video. Yay. ADA applies to you in the following ways. Web resources, including classes, need to be made accessible. This means that you need to make an active effort to make things accessible. Just because your student did not disclose a disability in the beginning of class while they were on campus and able to be evaluated does not mean that you can't provide it now. All right. The easiest way to do this is to be proactive and also pre-record things like this. I'm pre-recording this. I'm not doing this live because I don't trust captioning. A lot of our programs that we have captioning built in, including Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts will caption things for you. I need to double check with Zoom, but I'm pretty sure they also caption things for you. If there are issues with the captions, there are chat boxes available on the side where people can actually write in if they didn't understand what just happened, because captions sometimes aren't great at specialty language. Those are the facts. Sorry. So make sure that you keep an eye on that. It's easy. It is not hard. You can do this. It's called press a button. You need to provide these accessibility services. These are no longer accommodations. Accommodations implies that someone has come to you and asked for assistance. Well, they can't come to you and ask for assistance. They can't provide a letter from your local accessibility coordinators saying that they have a documented need. E-learning presents a whole bunch of different issues for people who have learning disabilities. And some of those are not easily documentable until you end up in a situation like this. The pandemic did not destroy ADA protections for your students. Caption your friggin' videos. I'm going to make a tutorial later that is using more professional language, but in the meantime, caption your frickin' videos. Here's the deal. I didn't stock enough brandy or bourbon to properly spike my coffee for the level of alcohol that this bullshit requires. You need to provide accommodation to your students. You need to be proactive about this accommodation. The difference between accommodation and accessibility is being proactive. Don't be the dick that causes your students to drop out. That's all I got. That is 5 minutes with the Attack Librarian. For more of quality Attack Librarian content, don't follow me anywhere. I'm not extremely publicly online. You can find me on Twitter. I'm much less attacky there, mostly. Anyway, bye!